Morning boys and girls, join me today as we make a backpack out of a blanket. As you can see, I've laid down my gear at a diagonal in the middle of the blanket. It's just a thin blanket that I use for this occasion. I'm going to take two ends opposite each other, bring it in tight, tie a nice simple overhand knot or reef knot, and our two other ends, we're going to twist this one away from us, twist this side towards us, the blade won't unravel. Pull these together, tie these together, you got your backpack ready to go. So now we can take our backpack, sling it over our head, put our head back on, we're ready to hit the trail. Obviously you could use this backpack for carrying wood as well, or even maybe some game that you've managed to hunt down. Very useful piece of gear. Now let me show you what you can do with a handkerchief. Here you can see a little pouch that I've made for my water bottle. Let me take it out and I'll show you how you make it. To make this little hip pouch, take a normal handkerchief, take two ends, tie it in a reef knot, take your opposite ends, do the same. Now you've got a little pouch with two handles. Put the first one underneath the second one, then take that second one, feed it back under the first handle and pull it tight. Now I've got a nice little pouch that you can use for carrying your water bottle, for foraging, pick your kindling, and you can hook it on your belt. Well, I'm Mitch of the Bushveld. Guys, thanks for joining me on this quick video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook. Catch you on the next one.